This Christmas, Judy gave Mom a bird feeder, and we have been watching the creatures that it attracts. These mourning doves have become quite fat. The yellow eye distinguishes this brewer's blackbird from a crow. The bird feeder attracts a fair number of squirrels, too. Blue jays are common visitors. This one prefers the safety of a high perch, briefly dropping down to the feeder to pick up another sunflower seed. He takes it back to the tree to open the shell. The little house wren hops around on the grass, but doesn't seem interested in the bird feeder. Out front, a turkey vulture soars over Coffee Pot Bayou. You can recognize him by his two-toned wings, which he holds in a shallow V while soaring. Snowy egrets are distinguished by their black legs and yellow feet. His size and color make the great blue heron unmistakable. The red forehead shield is characteristic of the common gallinule. The yellow-crowned night heron is one of the many smaller herons. The white wing patch marks this duck as a gadwall. Double-crested cormorants are a common sight in our waters. Note the hooked beak. A few crusts of bread almost always draw a crowd of seagulls. These excellent flyers hover until a piece of bread is thrown in the air, then they catch it on the wing. I saw one ring-billed gull. The rest are laughing gulls. They can be identified by the gray markings on their head and their black beaks. It's always a delight to watch a brown pelican in flight. Another great blue heron tramps through the tall grass at the south end of Little Bayou.